I went to college at UGA, a state university in Georgia, in Athens, Georgia. And after 4 years of college, I had thought I was going to go get a PhD and be a college professor. I studied classics and I really enjoyed that. But towards my senior year, I decided to go a different path. I had some friends that were in law school. I sat in on some classes and it seemed like it would be challenging and interesting and allow me to learn a lot of great things. And I ended up going to law school at Harvard, where I met some incredible people and had some great classes, but I had no idea what kind of lawyer I was going to be. There was kind of a set path. Everyone basically ended up either going to go work for the government or more likely working for a big corporate law firm in New York or DC. And that was the path I was on. I was going to go work at a big law firm in Washington, DC. I worked there after my second year of law school, but I ended up clerking for a judge, a district court judge, a trial judge, after law school. And while I was clerking, I got the chance to meet some lawyers who were plaintiffs' lawyers, who represented ordinary people. And from talking to them, I got a sense that there was something else out there, that there were lawyers who went around actually representing people, as opposed to multinational corporations and insurance companies. That seemed like a good idea to me, and so I took a job representing plaintiffs and worked there for a while. The firm split up and I ended up taking a job at a litigation boutique that did complex litigation, mostly on the defense side. So I got some experience representing defendants and representing them on a very high level. Ultimately, when my family decided to move to California, I decided to make a move back onto the plaintiff side, and that's when I started working with Brooks. And having had about a decade of experience, I can say that while I didn't know it before I came to law school, I know it every day, that why I do what I do is because it allows me the chance to fight for people. A big corporation or big insurance company has one focus and one purpose, and that's to extract as much profit as possible. Your injury, your claim, your fraud, your defective product, your defective medical device, your defective pharmaceutical that caused you an injury is nothing more than a line item on that budget for that corporation and for the lawyers that defend it. But for us, that's what we do. Our job is to represent those clients, and what I love about my job is being able to do that, and to be able to do that without settling for being average, but being the best. Because the resources on the other side are functionally limitless. They can find an infinite number of lawyers to represent them and fight for them and do the best job possible. But why I like our job, why I like what I do, is that what we do makes a very real difference in the lives of the people we represent.